Welcome to our Dashcam Showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison between two popular dashcams, the AV Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K and the DELLFY Dash Cam. We'll look at their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The AV Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K offers 2K Quad HD video recording, which is decent for everyday use. However, the DELLFY Dash Cam stands out with its impressive 4K front and 2.5K rear recording capabilities. This higher resolution provides clearer and more detailed footage, especially beneficial for capturing important details on the road. If video quality is your priority, the DELLFY Dash Cam is the clear winner in this category. When it comes to design, the AV Dash Cam is compact and discreet, making it easy to install without obstructing your view. In contrast, the DELLFY Dash Cam, while offering dual camera functionality, is larger and may be more noticeable. Both cameras have their merits, but if you prefer a less obtrusive option, the AV might be the better choice. Price is always a crucial factor when choosing a dash cam. The AV Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K is priced at a budget-friendly $59, making it an attractive option for those looking for basic functionality without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the DELLFY Dash Cam comes at a higher price of $109, reflecting its advanced features and dual camera system. Depending on your budget and needs, you may find the AV to be a more economical choice, while the DELLFY offers more advanced capabilities. In conclusion, both the AV Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K and the DELLFY Dash Cam have their unique strengths. The AV is perfect for budget-conscious buyers seeking a reliable dash cam, while the DELLFY offers superior video quality and dual camera functionality for those willing to invest more. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.